Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. I'd really love that. If you're returning, how are you today? In today's video, I want to talk about what quite a few other prepper channels have been talking about, and that is the water treatment hack, the facility that was hacked here in Oldsmar, Florida. Well, I'm sure you're wondering, well, you know what? She lives in Florida. You know, why hasn't she touched on this yet? Well, listen, I'm sorry that I haven't touched base on it yet, okay, but I am now, all right? And this is just another reason why we should all be prepared, okay? I'm going to throw in a clip of what our governor has said, of what the local news channel has said, okay? What some of the other counties are saying, you know. Can it happen again? Yeah, absolutely. Will it happen again? I wouldn't doubt it. I really wouldn't doubt it. It's so sad to say, but I really wouldn't doubt it. Some facilities are more protected when it comes to their computer systems, and some just are not. But I guess, you know, they really wouldn't expect something like this. But what I guess had happened was they had gotten, this guy had gotten into the computer system and tried to mess around with the chemicals that get released into the water treatment facility. And he messed around with the level of lye, L-Y-E, that gets released into the water, which cleans the water and cleans the water tanks. And lye is a very serious, dangerous chemical. Now, lye is also used in soap. So, you know, but very, very, very small amounts of lye is used in soap. But that's besides the point. But they say that, how did they put it? How did the sheriff, Pinellas County, how did he put it? They didn't, they caught it before it reached the homes of the residents of Pinellas County. Yeah, how do you know that you really did that? So, as residents of Pinellas County, listen, still not going to drink the water, still not going to cook with the water, okay? Because regardless, you can boil it all you want. I don't care. It's not safe. So, you know, just use bottled water. But this is another reason to prep, honestly. It really is. It's another reason to have a good water filtration system. It's another reason to have bottled water. It's another reason to have a rain catchment system. It's another reason to have life straws. Although, you know, even with a Berkey or life straws and stuff like that, with the amount of lye that was released into the water, I don't think that would have stopped. I don't think it would have filtered it out, but I could be wrong, but I don't think so. But, you know, bottled water right now is the safest way to go. And honestly, you know, I'm being honest. But they are checking not just Pinellas County, still they're checking Hillsborough County, Pasco County, Hernando County, Polk County, Citrus County. There are so many different counties now. They are literally checking all these different counties, the water treatment facilities. Pinellas County's water treatment facilities, like computer system, is only 8 years old. And it was still hacked. But it doesn't matter. It really doesn't. So I'm going to add that clip in now so you guys can see what I'm talking about on what they were saying. Because I don't know, a lot of you guys don't get to see like our local news stations on what they're saying. So I'll add that in now, okay? So hang on just a sec.
Remotely accessed a water treatment system potentially endangering nearly 15,000 people in the Bay Area.
So could it happen again? 8 on Your Side investigator Masa Saidi joins us now live in the Tampa newsroom. Masa.
Jen and Keith, there are always multiple safety and monitoring protocols in place, but still, in this case, the remote access allowed a criminal to try to poison the water. The question now, what does your water supply company allow? The hacked water treatment plant opened in January of 2013. Its operating system is just 8 years old. The city of Oldsmar has temporarily disabled remote access as the feds investigate. The U.S. Secret Service has a cyber fraud task force permanently stationed in Tampa, but they're not commenting. And the FBI would only confirm agents in Tampa are working to find the person responsible. Cybersecurity experts warn the pandemic is increasing exposure because more companies are allowing their systems to be remotely accessed. At a news conference in Sarasota today, 8 on Your Side's Allison Henning asked Governor DeSantis about the risk.
Are you taking any specific action in result of what we saw in Oldsmar with the water plant intrusion, and how confident should we as Floridians be that our critical infrastructure is secure here?
So it's something that we're looking at. I don't have anything to announce now, but if I do, we will be sure to let you know.
We want to know which Bay Area water suppliers currently allow remote access. Tampa Bay Water and the city of St. Petersburg do not. Pasco does use remote access, but they say their system requires internal approval in real time. Quote, "We only use platforms that utilize internal authentication, authorization, and accounting to monitor access." Meantime, the city of Clearwater refuses to discuss safety and security measures. And tonight, we're waiting to hear back from the suppliers on your screen. So late today, Hillsborough County Public Utilities got back to us, and they also do not allow for remote access. They say they haven't done it in 10 years. Meantime, cybersecurity experts believe smaller water suppliers are most at risk. Live in the Tampa News Center, Masa Saidi, 8 on Your Side.
And the messed up part about this whole thing is no one is commenting on any of this. The FBI, nobody is commenting on any of this. And they're saying, oh, it was a criminal and, oh, he hacked into it. Okay, well, you can't get his IP address? You don't know where he's at? Come on. Nothing is making any sense. None of it, come on. And it can't be that easy to break in or to hack in to this. What's next? The electrical grid? Okay, this is what I'm saying. I have been literally screaming it from the mountaintops. Remember when I did the video the other day on our power grids? We are open now. Well, it's no longer 90 days. How long are we open for now? Like another 2.5 months. We're open still now. We're open for a hack for like another 2.5 months. So our power grids are open. It's obviously easy to hack into our water treatment facilities. What else is next? Was this a part of the plan? I mean, okay, because if you're going to try and poison the water, our power grid is obviously next. Like this guy failed at, or they say that he failed at the poisoning the water. What's next? The power grid? Never, ever, ever stop prepping. Never stop. Even if we were to try and treat this water, there's no way, because how would they even flush that out? They can't block that from going into people's homes. They can't stop it. But see, they're not telling people any of this. They said, oh, we stopped it. Really? How did you stop it? You can't stop that from happening. Once he into the computer, the chemicals go in. Water constantly runs, right? You can't just put up a blockade and say, no, water, don't go that way. The water has to constantly run. Maybe I'm wrong. I don't know. But don't ever stop prepping because of things like this. Always have bottled water, because I don't think even a Berkey or Life Straws or even like the water treatment tablets would work on this. No. I think also what would be good investments right now is water bricks. And then a rain catchment system. That's my dream right there, is to have a rain catchment system, so I can have my own water. And then my next, fear is the grid going down. If they can hack into the water treatment facilities, this is next. Seriously. All right, guys, that's all for this video. I love yous. I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe. Stay positive. Keep prepping. Fear less. Bye.